Comparison between money market and capital market. Money market, the short-term debts and security sold on the money market, which are known as money market. Instruments have ranging from 1 day to 1 year and are extremely liquid. Treasury bills, federal agency notes, certificate of deposits, commercial papers, bankers acceptances, repurchase agreement are example of instruments. The supplier of funds from one fund for money market instruments are institutions or individuals with a prepare for highest liquidity and the lowest risk. Money market is unsystematic market and so the trading is done of exchange that is over the counter between two parties by using phones, mail, fax, online, etc. It plays an important role in the circulation of short-term funds in the economy. It helps the industries to fulfill their working capital requirement. This is the money market. This market is relating to short-term market. This market is only for 1 day to 1 year and extremely liquidated instruments. For examples, certificate of deposits, bills of exchange, commercial papers, bankers acceptances, repurchase of bills. These are the examples of money market. And this market is unsystematic market. So the trading is done off exchange, OFF off exchange, that is over the counter between two parties by using phones, mails, fax, online, etc. It is an important circulation of short-term funds in the economy. It helps the industries to fulfill their working capital requirement. This is the money market. Now we are going to see the capital market, a type of financial market where the government or company securities are created and trade for the purpose of raising long-term finance to meet the capital requirements is known as capital market. The securities which are traded includes stock, bonds, debentures, EURs, etc., whose maturity period is not limited up to 1 year, or sometimes the securities are redeemable, irredeemable, no maturity. The market play a revolutionary role in circulating the capital in the economy between the suppliers of market and users. The capital market under full control of security exchange board to protect the interest of the investors. It means that capital market is a long term market. Long term, it means the sometimes the security may not be maturities in a short period, and this market is provide the long term capital requirements of industry and trade. This capital works under full control of SEBI for the interest of investors. The capital market include both dealer market and action market. It is broadly classified into major categories: primary market and secondary market. What about the primary market? A market where fresh securities are offered to the public for the subscription is known as primary market. It means that the new securities are issued to the public for the purpose of subscription. And next one is secondary market. A market where already issued securities are traded among investors is known as secondary market. The secondary market means the already these securities are existed in the market is called as secondary market. Now we are comparison, or it is a distinction. The first one, the definition. The money market, it is a component of financial markets where short term borrowings take a place. It means this market is components of the financial market where the short term borrowing take a place. And the capital market, it is a component of a market where long term borrowing take a place. It means that this market is included of financial market where the long term borrowing take a place. Now the second difference or distinction, time period. Money market may an agreement for borrowing and lending of short term funds which shows time period is 1 year or less than 1 year. It means that this market is borrowing and lending the short term funds which period is 1 year or less than 1 year. And capital market, the market Concept is borrowing, compact in borrowing and lending of long-term funding, which means the time period is more than 1 year. It means that this capital market is borrowing and lending of long-term funding, which means the time period is more than 1 year. It is the difference between the time period. And the next, number 3, credit instruments. In money market, certificate of deposits, repurchase agreement, commercial papers, federal funds, municipal notes, treasury bills, money funds, foreign exchange swaps, short-term levy, mortgage deposits, and asset-backed securities. It means these credit instruments are certificate of deposits, bills of exchange, commercial papers, federal funds, municipal notes, treasury bills, money market funds, foreign exchange swaps. These are the credit instruments. And in capital market, which are the credit instruments? The credit instruments are stocks, shares, debentures, bonds, securities of the government. These are the instruments traded in money market as well as in the capital market. Nature of credit instruments. In money market, homogeneous, a lot of variety causes problem of investors. The homogeneous, a lot of variety causes problems of investors. And in capital market, homogeneous, a lot of varieties are required. It means that in money capital market, homogeneous, a lot of varieties are required. This is the nature of credit investment. Next one, purpose of loan. Money market, the short-term credit required for small investment. It means that the money market is short-term credit requirement for small investments. In capital market, long-term credit required to establish business, expand businesses, or purchase fixed assets. This is the capital market. And next, basic role. In money market, liquidity adjustment. And in capital market, putting capital to work. And next, institutions. Money market, central banks, commercial banks, acceptances houses, non-bank financial institutions, bill brokers, etc. These are institutions are working in money market. And in capital market, stock exchange, commercial banks, and non-banking institutions such as insurance companies, mortgage banks, building societies, etc. These are working in the capital market. And next difference or distinction, risk. Money market, in money market, risk factor is very small because time period is less than 1 year is given, so defaulter have less time to default. This way the risk is minimized. It means that the period of the lending or borrowing is a short period. It means less than 1 year, and that is why the risk factor is very small. And in capital market, the risk is more as compared to in money market. The reason behind this is the time period. The maturity of more than 1 year provide more time for default, but in capital market risk is differs both in nature and degree. It means this is also one of the difference. And next, the market regulation. Money market, commercial banks are closely regulated to prevent occurrence of a liquidity crisis. In capital market, the institutions are regulated to keep them from defrauding customers. This is also the one of the difference. It means market regulation. In money market, the commercial banks are closely regulated to prevent occurrence of liquidity crisis. And in capital market, institutions are regulated to keep them from defrauding customers. Another difference, relation with central bank. The money market closely related to the central banks of the country. It means money market is closely related to the central banks of a country. And the capital market indirectly related with central banks and feels fluctuation depending on the policies of the central banks. It means that the capital market is indirectly related with central banks and feels fluctuations depending to the policies of central government. And next, another difference, return on investment. There is return on investment is less. In capital market, on other hand, the comparatively the return on investment is high. And the last difference, merit, increases liquidity of funds in the economy. Relating to money market and capital market, mobilization of savings in the economy. Now we are going to conclusion. The main aim of a financial market is to channelize the money between parties in which money market and capital market helps the taking taking surplus money from the lenders and giving them to the borrowers who needs it. Millions of transactions take a place around the world on a daily basis. Both of the work for the betterment of world economy. They fulfill the long term and short term capital requirement of individuals, firms, corporate and government. They provide the good return with encourages investment. These are the concluding points. Thank you one and all for patient hearing the difference between money market and capital market. Thank you one and all. Thank you.